Is she from Italy? Yes, she is.
Where is she from? She is from Italy.
Is she from Italy or Spain? She is from Italy. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am.
How do you feel? I feel thirsty.
Are you thirsty or hungry? I am thirsty. Are the flowers for me? Yes, they are.
Who are the flowers for? The flowers are for you.
Are the flowers for me or someone else? For you. Do we need an umbrella? No, we don't.
What do we need? We don't need an umbrella.
Do we need an umbrella or sunglasses? We need sunglasses. Is the coffee hot? Yes, it is.
How is the coffee? The coffee is hot.
Is the coffee hot or cold? The coffee is hot. Are you learning Spanish? Yes, I am.
What are you learning? I am learning Spanish.
Are you learning Spanish or German? I am learning Spanish. Is the door open? No, it isn't.
What is the door? The door is not open.
Is the door open or closed? The door is closed. Is the train late? No, it isn't.
What is the train? The train is not late.
Is the train late or on time? The train is on time. Are they happy? Yes, they are.
How do they feel? They feel happy.
Are they happy or sad? They are happy. Is your phone new? Yes, it is.
What is your phone like? My phone is new.
Is your phone new or old? My phone is new. Is your friend funny? Yes, she is.
What is your friend like? My friend is funny.
Is your friend funny or serious? Funny. Do you like winter? No, I don't.
Which season do you like? I don't like winter.
Do you like winter or summer? Summer. Is the milk fresh? Yes, it is.
How is the milk? The milk is fresh.
Is the milk fresh or expired? Fresh. Are you tired? No, I'm not.
How do you feel? I'm not tired.
Are you tired or energetic? Energetic. Is the salad delicious? Yes, it is.
How is the salad? The salad is delicious.
Is the salad delicious or bland? Delicious. Is the computer old? No, it isn't.
How is the computer? The computer is not old.
Is the computer old or new? New. Are the shoes comfortable? Yes, they are.
How are the shoes? The shoes are comfortable.
Are the shoes comfortable or tight? Comfortable. Is she a teacher? Yes, she is.
What is her job? She is a teacher.
Is she a teacher or a doctor? She is a teacher. Do you have a cat? Yes, I do.
What pet do you have? I have a cat.
Do you have a cat or a dog? I have a cat. Does he like apples? Yes, he does.
What does he like? He likes apples.
Does he like apples or oranges? He likes apples. Are they watching TV? Yes, they are.
What are they watching? They are watching TV.
Are they watching TV or reading a book? They are watching TV. Do you live in a big city? Yes, I do.
Where do you live? I live in a big city.
Do you live in a big city or a small town? I live in a big city. Is the book on the table? Yes, it is.
Where is the book? The book is on the table.
Is the book on the table or in the bag? The book is on the table. Do you go to school by bus? Yes, we do.
How do you go to school? We go to school by bus.
Do you go to school by bus or by bike? We go to school by bus. Does she have two brothers? Yes, she does.
How many brothers does she have? She has 2 brothers.
Does she have two brothers or two sisters? She has two brothers. Is the sky blue? Yes, it is.
What color is the sky? The sky is blue.
Is the sky blue or gray? The sky is blue. Can he swim? Yes, he can.
What can he do? He can swim.
Can he swim or ride a bike? He can swim. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do.
What food do you like? I like pizza.
Do you like pizza or pasta? I like pizza. Is it raining today? No, it isn't.
What's the weather like today? It's not raining today.
Is it raining or sunny today? It's sunny today. Can she speak English? Yes, she can.
What language can she speak? She can speak English.
Can she speak English or French? She can speak English. Do they play soccer? Yes, they do.
What sport do they play? They play soccer.
Do they play soccer or basketball? They play soccer. Is your book red? No, it isn't.
What color is your book? My book is not red.
Is your book red or blue? My book is blue. Is the cat sleeping? Yes, it is.
What is the cat doing? The cat is sleeping.
Is the cat sleeping or playing? The cat is sleeping. Are the flowers yellow? Yes, they are.
What color are the flowers? The flowers are yellow.
Are the flowers yellow or red? The flowers are yellow. Do you study at night? No, I don't.
When do you study? I don't study at night.
Do you study at night or in the morning? I study in the morning. Does he wear glasses? No, he doesn't.
What does he wear? He doesn't wear glasses.
Does he wear glasses or contacts? He wears contacts. Can she cook Italian food? Yes, she can.
What can she cook? She can cook Italian food.
Can she cook Italian food or Chinese food? She can cook Italian food. Do you have homework? Yes, I do.
What do you have? I have homework.
Do you have homework or a project? I have homework. Do you drink tea in the morning? Yes, I do.
What do you drink in the morning? I drink tea in the morning.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning? I drink tea. Can he play the guitar? No, he can't.
What can he play? He can't play the guitar.
Can he play the guitar or the piano? He can't play the guitar. Is the window open? Yes, it is.
What is the window like? The window is open.
Is the window open or shut? The window is open. Do they have a garden? No, they don't.
What do they have? They don't have a garden.
Do they have a garden or a balcony? They don't have a garden. Can she dance? Yes, she can.
What can she do? She can dance.
Can she dance or sing? She can dance. Is it cold outside? No, it isn't.
How is the weather outside? It's not cold outside.
Is it cold or warm outside? It's warm outside. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I do.
What do you eat every day? I eat breakfast every day.
Do you eat breakfast or skip it? I eat breakfast. Are the keys on the table? No, they aren't.
Where are the keys? The keys are not on the table.
Are the keys on the table or in your pocket? They are in my pocket. Do you take a shower at night? Yes, I do.
When do you take a shower? I take a shower at night.
Do you take a shower in the morning or at night? At night. Can they speak Japanese? Yes, they can.
What language can they speak? They can speak Japanese.
Can they speak Japanese or Chinese? Japanese. Are the eggs boiled? Yes, they are.
How are the eggs? The eggs are boiled.
Are the eggs boiled or fried? Boiled. Can you write in English? Yes, I can.
What can you write? I can write in English.
English. Can he fix the car? No, he can't.
What can he do? He can't fix the car.
Can he fix the car or the bike? The bike. Is the tea sweet? No, it isn't.
How is the tea? The tea is not sweet.
Is the tea sweet or bitter? Bitter. Do you have siblings? Yes, I do.
Who is in your family? I have siblings.
Do you have siblings or are you an only child? I have siblings. Do they live in London? Yes, they do.
Where do they live? They live in London.
Do they live in London or New York? They live in London. Is the book interesting? Yes, it is.
How is the book? The book is interesting.
Is the book interesting or boring? The book is interesting. Are we late? Yes, we are.
What time is it for us? It is late for us.
Are we late or early? We are late. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!